Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the high limit thermostat in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, a pair of wire strippers, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new high limit thermostat and a couple of terminals. The high limit thermostat is mounted on the side of the heater box housing at the rear of the dryer. It's designed as a safety device to prevent overheating and possible damage to the dryer. It cuts the power off to the gas valve assembly. If your dryer runs but there is no heat at all, it's time to check and replace the high limit thermostat if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. We have a bunch of 1/4-inch screws, and I'm going to use a nut driver and we're going to take them out. And I'm going to support the panel and take out the last screw, and we're going to remove it. This is the high limit thermostat we need to replace. I'm going to start with taking the two wires off. I'm going to pry them one by one with a flat blade screwdriver. Put them aside. And I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. Take out these two screws. This is the old high limit thermostat next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. If you notice, they obviously look a little different, but they will be functioning the same way, exactly because they set for the same temperature. This thermostat has 3 terminals. We are going to use only those 2 terminals and forget about the third one. Also, we will need to change one of the wire terminals to connect this one. We have 2 spare terminals supplied in the kit. So I'm now going to mount this high limit thermostat. I'm using those 1/4-inch screws. And now we need to change one of the terminals here. I'm going to use the strippers, cutters, to cut this off. Then I'm going to strip just a very small piece, like a 1/4-inch at the most. Then I'm going to place this wire under this new terminal. I'm going to put this insulated portion right there. I'm going to use pliers to squeeze this. And then this portion. And then I'm going to use these wire strippers, and we're going to squeeze that portion. And then we can bend this. I'm going to use pliers to squeeze this. And now I'm going to connect the wires to the new high limit thermostat. So I'm going to bring in the panel, place it over this vent. I'm going to match the holes on the top. And using a 1/4 inch nut driver, I'm going to install the top screw. And then I'm going to put the one on the sides. And we can place the rest of the screws. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.